Hello, my name's Adrian Hyde of Adrian Hyde Photography, and today in this video we're going to go out on a little bike ride and we want to see what changes are happening at Werdinseli. And also this is the GoPro is strapped to the bike, so you're going to see how nice and smooth it is. So let's go! Let's go! Oh! And we have Sammy and the mouse. So let's go. Oh! Right then. Right, Susie, come with me. Oi, Garden. Hello. Ah, good. Yeah? Oh, good. Daddy? Yes, darling.
Can I go in front? I know the
Yeah,
way.
let me just
I thought that was funny on the road then.
right, we'll go here and we'll cross over. Oh yeah, just a bit, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Right, okay. Okay, and over we go.
Daddy, aren't we going to Herdhof?
Yeah, we're going there on the way back. So you go down here, go around the bridge that way, and then there's a big bridge over there. We're going to go over there. We're going to look at Werdinseli. Yeah. Yeah, well,
Can I go in front of you?
you can now. Let's see how smooth this is.
Thank you, David.
Okay, go over the bridge here. Left. Left. That's it. Cool. He's done much over there, but he's done a great deal. It doesn't look like he's done a great deal. Oops. No, I want to go over to where they were doing all the construction work last year. Over the bridge. Hey, hello. Hi.
Baby, under the bridge.
Oh, gosh, he's going quick. I really like this bridge. Yeah, I like it. I like this bridge. That side and then. Oops. Yeah. Hang on. Let's just reset the camera because it's gone funny. Okay, should we go again? Let's go. Let's go. Whoa. Okay.
Where?
Oh, straight on. You can't, not allowed to get down there. Soon that'll all be overgrown. That they've cut all the grass here. Soon that'll be all up and overgrown. Remember what it was like last year?
No.
It was really high. They've maintained it. It'd be nice if they could keep it like that. Yeah, I hope so. I much prefer it like that.
Watch out, Daddy, hurry.
Wow. We're going to go that way, we're going to go right now. Oh, it's me, it's this one here. It's this, it's a bit bumpy. It's, look, you just it's right, resting right on top of it.
So it's not how that's actually.
No, it's this. Go in front of that. So.
I don't know where to go there.
Oh, you're just going straight on. Nanny and Grandad want to see the bridge. Here, the bridge, because last time they were here, all this was all closed off.
It was, wasn't it?
It was all closed off last time. I think even last time you were here, it was all closed off. But you see that sign now, we're not allowed to go on our bikes. So let's just go. Oh, they're in the water. What a bonus. So we're going to have to walk through here. Let's just... It'll be fine. Okay, so I think... Alright, just move this out of the way. Yeah. Don't really want. Okay. So this is now where they've rebuilt everything down here. Crazy people who've just been for a swim. Right, Sophie.
Daddy, can I ride?
I think you can for a little bit.
I thought we were going to Werdinseli.
Oh, we're going down. We're going to go there in a minute. I just want to get around here for a little bit.
What, that path?
Yeah, it's here. And anyone else swimming in there?
Do we have to go and play there?
No, where would you like to play?
No?
Where would you like to play?
I will play at Herdhof.
Yeah, that's where we're going.
So,
Yeah, but Nanny, I said Nanny and Granny just wanted to see this area because they haven't seen it. Because last time they saw this, all this area was up because it used to. I'll take it off in a minute. Get a bit of a... I just want to show them.
It's nice to see them. It's nice to film something for them that they haven't seen in a year.
Yeah. Susie! Susie! Right, let's just do this. Right, just take.
Stop.
So we're at Werdinseli now. So let's just take a little look through here. This here, let me see. This is where it used to finish. So the lazy river used to come down here, and there it used to stop. And all of this here now, the last time you were here, is all new. There's Sammy. And there's Susie. So all this here was new, and I think the last time here, this is all ruckus. It's all had construction here.
Around up here.
Yeah, had all construction all down here. Yeah.
Nanny, do you remember that we feeded the ducks here?
Oh yeah, they fed the ducks down there. But yeah, it's, and the crazy thing is, people swim here all year round. It's madness. But hello, hi. So this, oops. This was here at the end of the lazy river here, and you used to come around here and walk up now. But now you've got all of this down to just before that bridge. And you can see all of the storm damage. All the storm damage. They just piled loads of trees up. They piled loads of trees up. See, there's a pile there, another one there, another one there. That tree's actually completely gone. I think they've made that one safe. That one's gone. There's another pile there. There's 3 piles down there. The play area, when they refurbished it, or they didn't do anything to that at all. And of course, my photographic studio, if you remember, was just down there in that white building. I had a photographic studio. So let's carry on with the tour. Okay, Sammy, shall we carry on? Susie, shall we carry on? Oh. Storm damage there, look. Oh.
What is that?
What's that? That's all storm damage there.
Storm damage? Where is the storm?
Here. When not storm damage, when all the snow came, it broke a lot of the trees. No, not supposed.
Sorry. Daddy.
Yeah.
I said we're blocking the road.
You're blocking the road?
Yes, and then a girl said
Storm damage.
not exactly, but almost.
They've got quite a long way to Lazy River down now. But the amount of snow, the damage that snow did. A big pile there. Right. Of course, this area here is really nice. I love this area around here. Right then, let's go on our bikes. And in the summer, mad people jump off that bridge. Where are you? Yeah, they jump off this bridge here. Soon it'll be open this way. May the 1st, May the 15th. Yeah, we'll get the hearts off now. Okay, let's go. Oh, do you want to follow me? Go on then, you two. okay. Yeah. Go on the river again. Go on the river. It's nicer. And here we still have a pumping station here where you can pump your tyres up. And they have velos here, public bikes. They're electric bikes actually.
Is this the quickest way?
Yes, it's the quickest way, yeah.
To Herdhof?
Yeah, boy. Yes, Susie. Did you? Dinosaur teeth. We like dinosaur teeth. Yeah. Oh, where was that then? Yeah, you can bike here.
I want to be here. No, stick there.
Go on then, Susie. You like it? What on earth are they building there? So what? Nice and flat. Look at all this. What storm damage. Wherever you look down here, yeah, look, it's so much.
It's bad.
They've had to clear a lot actually.
Pardon?
They've had to clear a lot. Careful, Susie, Susie, Susie. Right. There's another big lot there. Look, go on, keep going, Susie.
No, tunneling.
Come out there.
Whoa.
Well, I think Susie's. You need to go a bit fast. Oh, careful, Susie.
I can't in the person.
Yeah, well, you go around the Percy. Look behind you. Or not look behind you. Oh, Susie, come with me, yeah. Around.
Ja, aber ich finde das mit dem ganz praktisch, ja, weil das
Go! Go, Susie, go, go.
We go straight on here, don't we?
Oh, you can go straight on, yeah. Past the mussel place.
What's that?
Well, the mussels, where they work out.
Oh, yeah, the muscle plate.
Yeah.
Muscle strength.
Yeah. Look at the word everywhere. Careful, Susie. Oh, Susie, there's a police car coming down here, darling. They're looking for someone. Okay, you can carry on now. Yep.
For real?
I don't know.
A robber. A robber.
Oh, there's a mussel place there, look. That are working out. Right, follow me. Right, you two. Off we go then.
Whoa.
What you do have to watch? Go then.
I'll go.
Go
Can
then.
I go in front?
You know where you're going?
To Herdhof.
Yeah, Herdhof.
Do you think there'll still be some there?
I don't know, so I'm going to have a look.
I haven't been there, but not going to be anything there.
You do? I'll have to have a look. We'll have to have a look, won't we? Look at all this, look. Of course they are. I know. So much of it. And look, you've actually lost a lot of trees there. And there, look. No. Right.
Is there someone there?
I think so.
Is it wet?
It looks that way.
It's wet. Is it?
Yeah.
Yay!
And we're back here at Herdhof, and this is one of Sammy and Susie's favourite places to come. And when in the summer, either when it's not too hot or it's not raining, then we come here. We come here and we do a bit of roller hockey, but it's a lovely place. At the moment, I think I'm going to do a time lapse on these because they love playing with the water.
This is like a sea!
Cool.
Daddy, have a look how much water.
Okay, go on then. Wow.
I beat my record.
I'm going to put a time lapse on this so then you can watch it as you clear it, okay? Wow, I wasn't planning on clearing all the water, but the children seem to be enjoying themselves. Susie's just gone over there to play a little while, and Sammy is quite content clearing this. But actually, when we do come here in the summer, and you see all these here, these pine needles, because now the trees have gone and they've dropped everything, they do have to be cleared if you want to come and play here and skate on here. So we do clear it up. It's a bit of a selfish act, but we come here and we use this quite a lot when the weather's right. Wow, I think we're done here for today. We've still got so much to do here if we do it all. This is all going to be done here, and I think there's some skaters come, so we'll probably leave very shortly, and then be on the bike ride home. It's only about a k's ride home. Susie is rushing around. Go, Susie! Yeah, we plan to come and use this soon-ish. Remember the first year we were here, we spent so much time here. Sammy, we play hockey here soon. I've got to get a stick. Oh, I got the first one. No. Oh, I got the first one. No. You right, Susie? You want to change gear, darling?
I've got a lot of space between you. I didn't. I was scared.
I bet you were. Right.
I've got a long distance.
Go on, you. Go on, Miss Mouse.
Daddy, I want to be in front. I want to be in front.
Okay, then go in front then.
I can't be in front.
Don't you forget about me. Right, wait. Okay, over you going, Susie. This way, darling. Susie! Come on, over you go. Go on, over you go. Okay, Susie, be careful here because of the metal. It's where you fell over before. I said, go, yeah, that's better, go that side. Oh, all the mouse are screaming. Right. Oh wow. That was cool.
I was aiming for that.
Were you? Right.
Daddy, Susie's getting first.
Hang on, let's just finish this off. Right.
No, you don't.
Hang on.
Daddy needs to get in first.
You're gonna say goodbye. Okay, so okay, so we're gonna leave that there now. We're gonna go in, warm up a little bit, and you've been bike riding with Aid, Sammy, and the mouse. Bye for now.